Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad. Today we'll be talking about Bitcoin and crypto in general, basically giving you the action to zoom out and look at the bright side and look at the long term. So this is Bitcoin on the logarithmic chart. And to view this log chart, as it says down here, you have to go to trainview.com, click on chart or trainview.com/chart, click on this. It'll look like this. You have to click like that, and this will bring you here. But you cannot choose the Coinbase option. You have to use the, where is it? Bitcoin all-time history index. So this goes to 2011. This is actually what I'm looking at here. But the Coinbase version would only go to 2015. So we're going back 4 more years, just bring some more history into the equation. So with this, you have a sense of calmness because you could realize that it's all just part of the cycle, part of the everlasting cycle with Bitcoin. As you can see here, 2011, it says on the very right, $15 or $16, but you go up just a little bit, and now it's 134. Go up a little bit, now it's 1,000. So it's not a linear; it's an exponential chart. So the higher you go up, the more percentage it increases, as I would say. At the very bottom, it could be 1 cent, and this whole space is 1 cent. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then it just keeps going. So it starts at a penny, of course, but then you go up here, and a single movement of your mouse is $100 or $1,000. So the more you go up, right? I could go up here, and it's like, oh, that's 10,000. Oh, that's 100,000. Oh, that's 2 million. So it's better to look at this chart when you're viewing stuff for the long term, just to give you a sense of where are we at. For example, this is the SP 500. This is the auto chart. This is the log chart. So it does bring more of a sense that, well, 2008, we really did not move a single bit. From the year 2000 to the year of 2013, the market did not move. It stayed flat. And then since then, we see this everlasting growth. But it's kind of hard to comprehend how long and how simple we were for so long. Let's actually do SPX. This is the actual index, not the ETF. So this goes all the way back to the year 1871. But just to give you a grasp of where we are at, and then you turn that off, and it looks like nothing. Turn back on, and you can see the actual years we spent doing stuff. From 1930 to 1955, the stock market was in the red. From year 72 to 82, flat. And then, of course, from year 2000 to 2013, which we saw. And now we're looking, and it's just barely crossing the top here. But we turn off log, and it looks like all panic, all hell is breaking loose. Similar with Bitcoin. You have to click on this all-time history index, and it looks like Bitcoin's going to zero. It looks like Bitcoin is ending. Turn on the log chart. Oh, it's just part of the cycle, right? If Bitcoin breaks down to 5,000, now we're talking serious business. It's breaking its own cycle. Goes down to 200. All right, well, Bitcoin's basically dead by that point. But until then, Bitcoin has room to grow. Bitcoin is still alive and well. You just have to think of all the billions in Bitcoin still holding the price up of market cap. And that's something we can view later. But anyways, I'm just trying to show you here the logarithmic chart of Bitcoin. It doesn't look too bad once you view it this way. It just looks like it's part of the process, right? We can view it from here, or better yet, oh gosh, just a trend line, right? Or we could view it from just a trend line. Then you take log off, and you're like, what the heck are you looking at? Well, maybe I didn't do the best job at charting that. You can't really tell in the log chart, but you sure can here. So this gives you more of a sense of it's okay that Bitcoin's down to 20K now. It was at $69,000. Now it's at 20,000. It's not the end of the world. We're still at 20,000 and not 200. So I do believe crypto is still good for the long term. I don't think this is the end, actually far from it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. Hope you get your mind right from this video. Thank you for watching.